And my name is Asan Ansari from class 6.
Today we are going to deliver a speech on Independence Day.
Today, on the momentous occasion of 18th Independence Day, let us come together to honor the sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters who dedicated their lives so that we could live in a free and independent nation. Their courage and love for our motherland continue to inspire us every day. The best way to express our gratitude is by becoming honest, responsible and kind citizens who always work for the progress of our country.
Independence Day is not only a celebration of freedom, but also a reminder of our responsibilities towards our country. We should always respect our national flag and national anthem. The sacrifices made by our freedom fighters inspire us to work hard and serve the nation with honesty and dedication. We must contribute to the progress of our country by being responsible citizens.
As students, we have an important role building the future of India. We should study sincerely, respect our teachers and elders, help those in need, maintain discipline and always speak the truth. We must also keep our surroundings clean, protect the environment.
We are the future of India, and together we can make our country stronger, better and more successful. By focusing on education, innovation and hard work, we can help India achieve greater heights. Let us come together to promote unity, equality and respect for all people. If every citizen performs their duties sincerely, So wonderful song. It's a very different shouting for all of us. I am going to the dedication of a church song to our beloved country India. But before I would like to say tonight, मिट्टी की बूंद तिरंगा किसान, मिट्टी की बूंद तिरंगा किसान, भारत है मेरा मेजबान, वीरों की कुर्बानी को तेरे हम सलाम, वीरों की कुर्बानी को तेरे हम सलाम, भारत माता को मेरा प्रणाम. And now we will like to present a beautiful patriotic song called Mela Bolsa Mela Day. So please give us big round and applause. Happy Independence Day! Jai Hind, Jai Bharat! मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन इसके वास्ते किसान है मेरा तन मेरा मन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन इसकी मिट्टी से बने तेरे मेरे ये वतन इसकी धरती तेरे मेरे वास्ते कदम इसने ही सिखाया हमको जीने का चलन इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन हमारी संस्कृति हमारा पहचान है और हमारी संस्कृति हमारा पहचान है और आज हमारे विद्यार्थी अपनी प्रतिभा के माध्यम से देशभक्ति एवं भारतीय संस्कृति की उपमान झलक प्रस्तुत करेंगे. To begin this cultural journey, we present our graceful patriotic dance performance by our talented students. Let us welcome our young performance with a big round of applause. Please welcome Shah for their dance performance.
सर इसके बाद जो लोग रहते हैं इसको तैयार रखिए आने में 15 मिनट लगता है.
From asking for the speech. To everyone present here, respected chief guests and principal ma'am, director sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the 80th Independence Day of our beloved country India. This is a proud and emotional moment for all of us. On 15th August 1947, India won its freedom from British rule, but this freedom did not come easily. It came after years of struggle, pain and sacrifice. Many brave souls gave their life for the dream of a free India. Some were old, some were young, some were children. But all of them had one thing in common, love for the nation. Thank you, others, for inspiring words. Now please welcome our charge for the Harhar Diamond.
सरफरोश की तमन्ना नहीं अब हमारे दिल में है देखना है जोर करना बाज़ कातिल में है इनकलाब जिंदाबाद इनकलाब जिंदाबाद इनकलाब जिंदाबाद थैंक यू
And your side. And a big round of applause.
वीर शिवाजी की घर आए यार उसको दबानी थी तुम मेरे हर बोलो थी वो हमने सुनी कहानी थी खूब लड़ी मैदान की वक्त झांसी वाली रानी थी। थैंक यू। Now please welcome our great singer Mr. Producer Nirasar from
डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा तो भारत देश मेरा तो भारत देश मेरा भारत देश है मेरा तो भारत देश है मेरा Oh,